In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make your Facebook friends list private. Now be sure that you watch to the very end to avoid any mistake. And please guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also to like the video. Thank you guys. Now let's get started. Now let's open our Facebook app and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then click on settings icon at the top. Then click on privacy checkup. Then click on the first category, who can see what you share. Then click continue. Then scroll down. Then on the category of friends and following, the first option, you will see who can see your friends list on your profile. Now it has been automatically set to public, but if you want to make it private, just click on it and choose only me. Click on it and then click next. Then click next, then next, then review another topic. Now your friends list will be made private. Guys, that's how you can easily make your Facebook friends list private. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.